Okay, so in this video, I'm going to show you how to rotate along the anchor point. Okay, so say I have my design here, again, from previous videos. I am going to go to the specific layer that I want to spin and stuff. So I'm going to use the rectangle, click on that layer. I'm going to go to image. I'm going to go to edit. I'm going to go to free transform. And then you have this right here, this little check mark that should be on by default. In my opinion, Photoshop, change it please, or Adobe, change it. It's unchecked, okay? So that way, when you rotate this, let's say when you're in free transform and you go to the corner and you rotate this, you rotate along the middle. I'll do Command Z here. Now, when I put a check mark right here, you notice that that center is right there. And then remember the compass that you used back in the days? You put a pencil on one end and a sharp pin on the other side, and then you put the pin on the paper, right? And then what happens is you make circles and stuff. So basically that's what we're doing. This is the sharp point of that compass, all right? And then the pencil is like right here, okay? And then it's gonna spin around and make a circle. So if I spin this, look at that. It goes around that circle, right? It goes around this anchor point. Okay, now let's say if I change this anchor point to this corner over here, all right, I'm going to click and drag this. Look at that. Now it's spinning along that compass anchor point. Okay, so basically that's that's the reason why you learn basic math, so you actually know how to do this. And when I explain this, you understand it. So if I put the anchor point like right here, okay, we're going to draw circles around this. So all these points that are existing on this shape is going to spin around that anchor point. Okay, so I'm going to click and drag this back into the middle because I don't want to spin this along those anchor points. But if you have a reason to do so, you can. And if you want to fine tune and not like, make big adjustments like what I just did, you can actually use this right here. This is the rotation. Okay, these are fine tuned. You can type in numbers. Look at that. Look how small they are. The small micro movements. Okay, I'll do Command Z. Command Z. Oh, no, I'll just type it in. I'll push 0. Oh, hold on. I can do it. Type in 0. And then look, it fixed itself. All right. So you can type it in or you can just drag. That is how you rotate. On to the next video.